Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my quick wash day on my natural hair in collaboration with AQUIS. You wouldn't think that too much water on your hair can cause damage, but it most definitely can. I try not to start the wash day process in the shower because it can lead to water staying in my hair for much longer than necessary. So if you want to see my full routine from start to finish, then just keep watching. I start off by dampening my hair with a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. The ACV has cleansing and clarifying properties that can break down product buildup. I lightly finger detangle to prepare for applying my mud wash. I will have the recipe linked in the card section. Then I start to fully saturate each section of my hair with the clay mixture. This mixture cleanses and detoxifies my hair and scalp and is rich in vitamins and minerals. Once applied, I let it sit anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing it out. It elongates my hair and makes my kinky curly coils pop. This cuts the time I spend on my hair down significantly since I don't have to wash and condition in separate steps. After rinsing, my hair feels soft and manageable, cleansed and conditioned. I used to use a t-shirt to dry my hair since it's gentle on my strands, but honestly it didn't absorb much water and it left too much in my hair. Using my AQUIS hair towel gets my hair much drier than using a t-shirt and is much gentler on my hair than using a regular bath towel. I use it to blot my hair so that I'm applying styling product to damp hair instead of fully wet hair, and that helps to avoid hydro fatigue. Once my hair is sectioned off, I apply Entwine leave-in conditioner. I work that in before I apply the buttercream hydration. I apply quite a bit of this cream and then I finger detangle before I split the section in half. Once I split the section, I use the cream gel styler to style my hair, and this combination gives me a nice soft hold. So then I just braid up the section, twist the ends, and I blot off any excess product with my AQUIS hair towel. I leave all the braids in overnight or until my hair dries. Sleeping with your hair uncovered will help it dry faster, so a silk pillowcase will come in handy, but since I don't have one, I always wrap my hair up. In the morning, I unravel all the braids with oiled hands and fluff with my wide tooth comb. I add a bit of oil or shea butter to my edges to tame them, and that's it. A quick and easy routine that leaves my hair feeling moisturized and strong throughout the week. Make sure you're subscribed to see more content from me and hit the bell notification to be notified when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get out of here and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.